All right, welcome back to LearWire. I wanted to get this quick video out. Normally I don't publish 2 videos in one day, but I felt that this is very important to get this out because the popcorn theme, as you know it, one of my favorite themes. I've done this on my public case study. I've used this WordPress theme. I do think that this is one of the best, well thought out and high quality WordPress themes. That's a premium theme that you can get for building niche websites. They are going to be moving to a subscription-based payment model. They've had this available, I believe. They've launched this about 2 years ago. When I look back at some of the early videos about Popcorn Theme, that was about 2 years ago. So they've been running this $99 LTD or lifetime deal pricing for about 2 years now. And as you guys know, it's not sustainable. In order for them to continue, I mean, they have developers on this. They are constantly updating the theme, and to give you all of the support that they give you, the tutorials, keeping it updated with all the latest, coding, JavaScript, CSS, HTML, all those things. In order to keep a WordPress theme with the probably hundreds or even thousands of customers that they have, it gets to a point where you do really need to have some type of payment model, whether that's going to be monthly or yearly. Now, I believe that it's going to a annual subscription. So you'll pay for it, and then every 12 months you'll pay for it again. Most really good tools in the SEO industry. One that comes to mind is Link Whisperer. It's an annual subscription, right? So most good tools that you can expect continued support and development into the future are going to be monthly or annually based subscriptions. So that's my just kind of spiel on why they're moving to that. I can definitely see from a business standpoint, I can see the justification for it, but you don't have to worry about that, because that's why I made this video for you. If you want to jump in and you're looking for a theme, or let's say you are looking to build your first website, your first niche website soon, or maybe it's on the back burner and you're not going to get to it for a couple months, or maybe next year you want to do it, something like that. But you're going to, one of the things along the way that you're going to have to research and figure out is what theme you're going to use, right? And this is definitely a theme that's going to have a lot of support and all the tutorials to get going. Most of the things that you would have to go and get all kinds of different plugins and stuff to put them together to get the results you want, you'll be able to get that with this theme. So I wanted to get this out to give you guys just a fair warning. Hopefully you see this video before the date. We only have 2 days. I think maybe even, you're going to have 2.5 days, because it ends. Let me pull this up right here. You can see that the price right now is $99, and it's been that way for a long time, maybe since launch, I'm not sure. But this is the Popcorn theme. The LTD lifetime deal ends on August 17th. Right now, I specifically made sure to record my screen showing that it is August 15th at 1:36 p.m. recording this video. I'm going to get this out. I'm going to publish it right after I'm done with the video. But you're going to have all day on August 16th and then all day on August 17th to decide if this is right for you. If you want to go and invest in a theme, pay a one-time for it. Never have to worry about paying for it again. And don't worry, I'm going to show you some great examples of 2 websites that I've built using the theme. And then also I'm going to show you one of Alex's websites as well. And we're going to go and take a look at it even further. Stick around if you want to learn a little bit more about the Popcorn theme. But I'm not just speaking and promoting this just because I like the guys behind this, Carl Broadbent, and we've got Alex Cooper from WP Eagle. I'm sure a lot of my audience is also subscribed to his channel as well. But they are really good at building niche websites. That's what they do. That's what they're good at. And then they also build their dream theme, and that is what Popcorn theme is. Okay. So I wanted to make sure that my audience gets this out and gets this knowledge out, just to make sure that you have this last couple day warning. And I just got the email, I think yesterday. So I wasn't going to do kind of this kind of promo or, last call, if you will. But then I decided that, yeah, I probably should. Let you guys know about this. If you use coupon code LEARN15, you're going to get an additional 15% off. This is still valid right now. So if you apply this, LEARN15, you're going to get 15% off. So I basically did the math. It's a $99 price tag with the coupon. You're going to spend about $84, $85 to get this, right? Again, last warning, August 17th, this goes away. So let's go take a look at it. Like right now, one-time payment, $99, updates for life, support via the community, license for use on unlimited websites. You can go and purchase this, right? Over 1,000 people. Like I said, I was guessing hundreds or even thousands. They have over 1,000 people that have bought this theme and so forth. You even have a money back guarantee and so forth. So you get the training, you get a good community, and it continues to get updated and so forth, right? So we'll go and look at some different things. Here's what the theme kind of looks like. You can go and check what, the best X for Y example is right here. You'll be able to click on this and see like what this could look like. 3 of the best popcorn for air poppers. They just build in all these different buttons and the different ways that you can color the buttons and make this really snappy, and it just looks so good on screen, right? This is a very high quality, premium WordPress theme that you're going to want to pick up for, specifically built for affiliate marketers and niche website builders. So you have your pros list, your cons list. You can do all kinds of cool, fancy stuff with this, right? So, this is Alex. He built this part. He does a lot of this, the training and so forth behind Popcorn theme and the demo sites. Come back over here and look at maybe content with a sidebar. We can go and take a look at what that's going to look like. So here's the sidebar. You can control all this inside of the theme, depending on how you want your site to look, right? And then example content number 2 right here. You can take this affiliate disclaimer off. If you don't have any affiliate links at all, you can actually take this off right here, but it comes right out of the box with that on there. It just protects you in case you do put some affiliate links on there. I left mine on one of my sites. I think I left it, and the other side I took it off. It also gives you, when it was published and then when it was updated, which is cool. I've been updating content recently, and so it's nice to see that when content was also updated. You can put these little nice tip boxes in here with different colors. I think that's really, really a nice touch. It just pops on the screen and makes, if the site looks nice like this, people probably will think that, you did spend a lot of time on the content, you care about your website, and they're probably going to stick around and read it more, which is going to just help all your rankings, going to help out sales, it's going to help out all kinds of different things, right? So I like these boxes that you can get right there as well. So this is like one of the demo site, but let's go take a look at, he used to have this site as, I think, best corn popper. It's forwarding to Snack Eagle. I'm not sure why but he obviously is doing a redirect to his rebranded site, but this is all about snacks and popcorn and potato chips. And this is a real life example right here of how to use the site. You can stretch this out. Like if you wanted this to go, the sidebar, if you want this to stretch full width, you can. I think that it's nice that it's condensed like this. You can do background colors in the back, and you can do all kinds of really cool things. I think I watched Carl's video the other day with his pricing or something like that. And he said that he showed an example of one of their customers that built a gaming channel on this, or a gaming website rather, and it just was like purple in the background and just had all kinds of different colors. Didn't even look like the theme, and yet they are using Popcorn theme, and it just looked really, really nice. So you can get as basic and crisp. I like the crispness and just the crystal clear, the way that the fonts pop out at you and the buttons and so forth. So the layout and the fonts just look really, really good. You can do all kinds of stuff. I've got a couple of cool examples. I have one that has 4 columns and then 3 columns and so forth. So there's a lot of customization, and you can kind of build your homepage and so forth the way that you want it to look. But let's click in here and look. He's got, in this case, he's doing his affiliate disclaimer on the sidebar on all of his pages. He's got the About Us page, so he's trying something a little different, which is cool. He's got the latest posts right there. Looks like they are publishing on this site literally like last week. Yeah, August 1st. So this is a very active website right here. You can see the nice tables right here. It just looks really, really nice. Okay, so this is one of Alex's site. You can see right here, Alex Cooper right there from WP Eagle. We're going to come over here and look at a couple of my sites. I've got Realistic Pay on here. We've got our menu up here. You can choose your menu items up there all you want. You can adjust your logo, and they have this, you can drag and like inside of there. I can do some tutorials on this. I did a little bit of a tutorial on how to build a site with this in my niche website case study using only AI. You can go back there and just look for it on the playlist and look for the one where I'm putting the theme together. But there's like a dial, so you can actually, with just dragging the dial, you can make your logo bigger or smaller. So I really like that feature. I like how you can easily just right out of the box, this is really what it looks like, right? Like I said, you can make the adjustments that you want. I think that mine is a little bit on the wider side compared to what Alex has on his. If we just go back over here and so forth. I like these little these like notepad, or almost kind of looks like a post-it note. I think that those are just really nice to have. As you can see, I put 2 posts that I want to drive more traffic to if people land on my homepage. I have these posts right here. And then I just published these just a couple of days ago as well, right? So we can click on here, and this was using SEOwriter.ai. You can see I literally published this yesterday, August 14th on the site right here. And you can see how nice this looks with all these images and auto internal links right here with a software I'm using from AppSumo right there. These are all AI images, by the way. We've got our nice table right here, and we'll just keep going, right? So this is using AI content on the site, super cool AI images as well. So it just keeps going. That's a really big blog post, but you can see here's about the author. I didn't even fill that out yet. I'm going to scroll back to the top up here real quick, and yeah, I don't have the affiliate, because I don't have affiliate links on this site. This is just an information website. Believe it or not, even though I'm talking about making money online, I don't really have any affiliate links on here. So that's one of my sites. The other site that I did was Newbie Gardening. And, I just got to be completely honest, right out of the box, the layout that they have for the theme and what is recommended is what I'm showing on these. This is what Alex is doing on his theme right over here. This is what I'm doing on Realistic Pay right here. And then on Newbie Gardening, this is what I'm doing right here as well. You can easily change the image out right here, and it just turns your site into the niche site that you picked, right? So I really like how you can just change the logo out. You can change the banner image out, and then, choose different fonts and colors, and then you literally are good to go, and you've already got a brand new site. So right out of the box, it's very easy to start your new site. Here's the one where I told you I have 4 columns right here. So this is what it looks like with 4 columns. Super cool stuff. We've got all of our privacy terms and cookie notices and copyright and everything down there. And you can go and look at what this looks like on this site as well. This one, I do have the affiliate disclaimer in here. You can see all the internal links, the external links, key takeaways, all kinds of good stuff. So overall, this is one of my favorite themes I've ever used. Just crystal clear. It's updated all the time. Not to name drop any other ones, but I've bought themes like this before where I've spent $100 or more on an LTD WordPress theme. And I got to be honest, they're really, really slow sites. And eventually, after months and months and months, and then a year and a half after you buy the theme, it goes away and it stops being supported, and then it just doesn't work. And that happened to me on another one. I'm not going to say which one that was because I'm not trying to name drop or make anybody look bad, but I can say and vouch that Popcorn theme is here to stay. I don't know for how long, but it seems like for a really long time into the future. I think it's a good investment in getting this theme right here. It's well supported and it's very, very fast. You can go look at some of my other videos that I've done, the Popcorn theme, super lightning fast WordPress theme as well. So again, go pick this up. This is the last call, and go and pick this up right now. They said that there will be an LTD, but I'm guessing it's probably $300 to $500 is going to be the new price for it. You don't want to wait and get on that. It's going to a annual subscription model after August 17th. So you have 2 days, more than 2 days in order to make a decision. Here you go right here. The link will be just below. Use Learn15, get that 15% off, and pick this up for a lifetime for about $84. All right. Just wanted to get this out to you guys. I'll see you guys later.